I recently tried out the wireless lavalier mic set, and there are a few things to highlight from my experience. On the positive side, the hands-free operation and wireless technology make it incredibly convenient for live recording sessions where you're doing a vlog, live sales, or just recording on the go. The long-distance transmission feature is a real plus as it allows you to move freely up to 30 meters away from your device without losing connection. This is particularly useful for content creators who need mobility during their shoots. The 360-degree omnidirectional recording is another standout feature. It captures sound from all directions, which can be quite useful in dynamic environment. The built-in high-sensitivity DSP noise-canceling chip is designed to reduce background noise, which theoretically should result in clear and clean voice recordings. However, there is a significant downside that cannot be overlooked: the sound quality, as now demonstrated in the following. Despite the promising features, the audio quality of this microphone is subpar. This can be a major disappointment if you prioritize high-quality audio in your recordings. In conclusion, this wireless lavalier mic offers excellent convenience and a range of features that are beneficial for content creation. However, if sound quality is your top priority, you might need to look elsewhere.